How to delete your Voya account permanently using the app step by step in just minutes. So right here, guys, I'll be teaching you how to delete your account here in Voya and just within a few minutes. So here's a step by step guide. All you need to do is once we open up Voya right here, you'll be looking at your home. Here at your home on the bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Press on your profile icon right there. After pressing your profile icon on the bottom right corner, you'll be located right here. And all you need to do is scroll down till you see settings. So once you see settings right there, press on settings. After pressing on settings right there, all you need to do is go down in our settings and you will see here at account management, just below the account binding, you will see delete account. Press on delete account right there. After pressing on delete account right here, to make your account more secure, Voya has updated its safety, privacy, and so on and so forth. The account deletion process will begin 30 days after you submit your account deletion. All we need to do is click on delete account. So we still have 30 days. So there you go. So here, put in right here concerns, concern about my personal info. Click on I want to delete. Press on I want to delete. And please type delete in the inbox to delete your Voya account. So we're gonna type in delete, all capitals, delete. After typing that all in right here, delete our account right here, is click on there. And then after doing that, typing in the delete, click on I want to delete. Press on I want to delete. So once you click on that, there you go, we're back from the start, which is gone. So there you go. If you enjoyed, if you have no questions or concerns, damit ako siya below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Glimpse. There you guys, and thank you guys.